Friends, once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to try a very quick and simple process to install Viper Audio FX in our Android device. So this is my Android device and it is now running Android 11 and the Magisk module is already installed here. So to install this Viper Audio FX, the Magisk Manager must be installed. So I need to open the Magisk Manager here. Okay, and then I need to type Viper, and we can see that we have three options, three modules are available to install this Viper Audio FX. So I need to tap on the Viper for Android FX, and now we can check the description and let's tap on install to install this module. So now the downloading has been started here, and now the installation also is about to complete. So just wait. So let's wait for a moment for the installation to get complete. Okay. Yes, the installation has been done now, and now I need to tap on the reboot button to restart the device. Okay. So the device has been restarted, and now we are back again on the device, and let's check whether the Viper Audio app has been installed here or not. So we can see the Viper Audio has been already installed. Now let's open it, and now it is asking a Super SG permission. So let's allow it. Now it is asking to install the driver. So let's allow it and let the driver installation be complete. So the driver installation has been done now, and the device has been rebooted. Okay. So we are back again on the device, and now we can see the driver has been installed or not. So now we need to verify whether the Viper Audio FX is working or not. So let's click here, and here we can see that the driver status is not yet enabled. So we need to enable the driver module. So the process is very simple and quick. Okay. So now we need to click here and then here. Now this is the option, and we need to click this button, that is the legacy mode option. We need to click here to enable this legacy mode option. Now all done. So this is what we have done, and now we can see the Viper Audio status. Yes, the new one has been enabled now, and the audio format also supported with the driver version 2.5.0.4. Okay, and all is working very well, and we can also check the app notification in the status bar. So that means the Viper Audio is running very well, and and the audio is also processing when we play the audio. So this is all about the video now. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please like the video, please share the video, and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. So guys, thanks for watching my video.